Let's just close these projects. And I wanna just show you something, and that's called multi-board project. If you right click here and add new project, you can select multi-board design project, or you go to file, new, and you go to project, and you go to multi-board design project. You have it here, and in here you can right click and select multiboard schematic, and in here just save it first with Ctrl S, and I want to save it on the project folder PCB, and I want to call it relays modules. So let's save it, and in here again relays module, but I don't want its extension, so that's good. Let's save it, and in project again right click, add new, multi-board assembly. Let's just add that to here, save it again, and let's just call it relay module. That's a good name. So save all to save everything, and in here we have two board. We want to add it in one project, so we see if they work together or not. If we click here, we can create our first board, and we can create our second board here. Okay, double click on the first board, and in here on the local just select our first master board. This is our master board, so you can see it. In next board, just double click on the local, these three dots, and select a slave board project. You see, everything is okay, but there is a problem now. What it is? Let's just clear all this and go to, just save it and open our PCBs. Okay, and we have another PCB that called a slave, and let's just open it, and in here just first for master there is a connector between two PCB. We should just tell Altium which connector is connecting two PCB together. In this master, this is the connector. Let's just double click on it, and how we can say that this is a connector that we want to connect this board to another board? How we can say that this is a connector that we wanna with it connect our master board to another board? Let's just double click on this and go to parameters, and in here go down and add a parameter and call it system, and for the value of it just write connector. So, and let's just save it and go to another project, that is our slave project in the MCU. In here you see we have this connector that we want to connect to the master. Let's just double click on it, go to parameter, and let's just double click on it, go to parameter, add parameter, call it system, and in here just call this connector. That's, if we right click on this, design, import from child project, you see we can add these pins that we have, that we just select that we want to connect these to another board, execute, and now you see there is 2 pin in here. Let's just double click on this. In this slave we have two component, or let's just show you these two P6 and P8 to be connected to another board. So we can connect another board to this by this component. So this P6 and P8. It's just, and for, let's just show you in here. In here P6 is what we should connect to this. Let's just call this in title, this is a slave, and in here it's just master. So, and we just click master PCB here, this is master, and right click on it, design, import from child project, and you see P3 is what we should add to here. Just move it here, and in here we can connect it directly or connect it with cable. Let's just connect it directly for now. And now if we double click on the connection, it will show you that 5 volt from, let's just double click in here, so let's just make it bigger, 5 volt from P3 going to P6, GND from P3 pin 2 will go to P6 pin 2. So you see we did change all of this so we can connect it